Okay, Alexa,
Yes.
what is the current temperature?
Right now, it's 37 degrees Celsius.
Hello friends, I hope all you are safe and healthy. Today I will show you how to make Amazon Alexa using Raspberry Pi. This project is very easy because in this project we need to install Alexa Pi in Raspberry Pi and make some changes to Amazon developer website. First of all, you need to sign in Amazon developer and after that choose the Amazon voice service. Let's see the parts required. Search Alexa. First of all, make account on developer.amazon.com. I already make account. After making account, the interface look like this. Go to Alexa voice service. Go to manage your products. I already make the product, so add new product. Write your product name. It makes suggestion because it shows suggestion because I already make the product, so make the project. So write product name, write product ID. You can also change product name and product ID. I choose same. Click on device with Alexa built-in. Product type smart home. Write anything. No. Hands free and far field. No. Next. See, these are the product. These are the security profile I already make. So create new profile. Okay, for this I paste RSP Alexa Echo. I also paste this. You can also change the security profile name and security profile description. I choose same name. Next. See, this is my security profile. This is my security profile description. This is my security profile ID. This is my client ID. This is my client secret. Okay, now add some URLs. These URL. Copy. And paste. Okay, after add all this. See, now in this is my Raspberry Pi IP address. ifconfig. See, this is my Raspberry Pi IP address. Write your Raspberry Pi IP address and add. Similarly, add this. Now add return URL. This is same as upper one. Paste. Copy and paste one by one. Click on I agree and finish. Okay, your product has been created. Go to this product. Now go capabilities. Name, choose this, and display cards. Display card with media. After that, update. See, my product is created. Now we make some changes in Raspberry Pi and install Alexa Pi. First of all, upgrade your Raspberry Pi. Let's increase the size of the text. After updating, write down the command. Install Git. After that, install Alexa Pi from GitHub. See, this is installed. After that, write this command. Copy this one. Your device Raspberry Pi. Copy and paste. 1. Now it's saying enter your device type ID. For this, you copy this product ID. This is your device ID. Enter your security profile description. For this, you go to security profile and security profile description. Enter your security profile ID. This is your security profile ID. Now enter your client ID. This is your client ID. Enter your client secret. Copy and paste. After that, go to this link. Click on continue. Sign in your Amazon account. Click on allow. See, if this message is print, means your Alexa is successfully installed in this device. After that, Control C. Insert USB mic to Raspberry Pi. For output, I using speaker jack. For input, I use USB PNP sound device. Restart the device.
Hello.
Okay, Alexa,
Yes.
what is the current temperature?
Right now, it's 37 degrees Celsius.
Okay, Alexa,
Yes.
can you tell me a joke?
What did one hat say to the other? You stay here, I'll go on ahead.
Okay, Alexa,
Yes.
do you know Jeff Bezos?
According to Wikipedia, Jeffrey Preston Bezos is an American business magnate, media proprietor, and investor. Bezos is the founder and executive chairman of Amazon, having previously served as chairman, president and CEO of the company. With a net worth of more than $200 billion as of June 2021, he is the richest person in the world according to both Forbes and Bloomberg's Billionaires Index. Born in Albuquerque and raised in Houston and later Miami, Bezos graduated from Princeton University in 1986.
Okay, Alexa,
Yes.
who won Copa America 2021?
In the Copa America, Argentina beat Brazil 1-0. In the Copa America, Colombia beat Peru 3-2. In the Copa America, Argentina beat Colombia in penalties 3-2 after a 1-1 draw.
Okay, Alexa,
Yes.
you look very beautiful.
Thanks. You too. You're beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true.
Okay, Alexa,
Yes.
do you know Alexa?
Alexa is a female form of Alexander, and is sometimes also a short form of Alexandra, both of which come from the Greek Alexandros, which can be translated as defender of man. As for me, I'm named for the Library of Alexandria, which stored the knowledge of the ancient world.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding to this project, then comment below, and after that I answer your comment. Always wear a mask, follow social distancing, and stay safe.